Mom, your love is in every meal you made, every laugh you shared, and every sacrifice you gave. You made our house a home. Thank you for everything. I love you always. Happy Mother's Day.
Mom, you held my hand so tight, laughing as we baked each night. Your love, you'd every little bite, made everything feel right. You're my home, you're my guide. With you, I always smile inside. Mom, I love you every day, in every single way.
Mother's Day approaching, how about heartwarming message and a special song like this? To make this, I used ChatGPT and Suno AI for a song, all free. First, go to ChatGPT and ask to write a message or a poem for your mom or any mom around you for this special day to say thank you. Also, ask GPT to write a lyrics and music prompt to use at Suno AI. Hi, I want a Mother's Day message for my mom.
Of course, I'd love to help. Could you tell me a little bit about your mum, like some things she loves, or a special memory you have, or maybe the kind of tone you want, funny, sentimental, or something else?
Okay, I call her Mom. She is living. She is a good cook. I have a good memory of baking cookies with her when I was young. I want to make it short and simple.
Absolutely. Of course. Here's a simple, heartfelt message you could use. Mum, you are the kindest, funniest, and most amazing cook. I'll never forget baking cookies with you when I was little. Thank you for filling my life with love and laughter. Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, I like to make a song for her at Suno. Can you make a lyrics for this?
Of course. Let's keep it simple and heartfelt like the message we crafted. How about these lyrics? Mom, you held my hand so tight, laughing as we baked each night. Your love in every little bite made everything feel right. You're my home, you're my guide. With you, I always smile inside. Mom, I love you every day, in every single way. Would you like any adjustments, or does that fit the vibe you're going for?
Okay, that sounds good. How about music prompt? I want acoustic female voice, upbeat and happy.
Perfect. Here's a music prompt you can use for Suno. Acoustic Mother's Day song, female voice, upbeat and happy with a warm guitar melody. Lyrics about a mum who's kind, funny, and a great cook, evoking joyful memories and gratitude. Should give you a nice, bright, and heartfelt feel.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, Nana. I'm glad it worked out. If you need any more tweaks or help with the song or video, just let me know.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Nana. Take care and have a wonderful Mother's Day with your mum.
How about a special song for her using Suno AI? I will show you step by step. To make a song, we use Suno AI. If you are a first-time user, you need to log in using Google account or create your account. With Suno free plan, you can make about 10 songs every day. That's plenty for most of you. You cannot use songs commercially, no monetizing on YouTube, etc. If you run out of credits, you wait until the next day. Longer or more complex songs can use more credits, so sometimes you get fewer than 10 songs a day. Make copy lyrics GPT made and go to Suno. On the left, click Create. Also copy music prompt from GPT and paste at Suno here. Then Create button here. It creates 2 songs at a time.
You never asked for praise, just quietly gave your all. In early mornings, tired nights, you answered serve love on every plate. You never asked for praise, just quietly gave your all. In early mornings, tired nights, you answered every call. Your hands made more than meals, they served love on every plate. A recipe of warmth and care that time could never take.
Any song you want you can download by click 3 dots here and download MP3. That's it. It should download it on your device now to share with your loved one. Suno AI is one of my favorite tools, and it's a lot of fun to play around. I don't know much about music, but ChatGPT's help to write lyrics and music style prompt. I could create beautiful background music and songs. You can do this too without spending any money. Just visit the site and watch this video again and follow the step. It's easier than you think. Thanks for watching Nana's Easy AI channel.